What's going on, people? So right now I'm at BKC Bandra and we are here for the Auto Expo. This is Mayank, this is Rahul. Link to their Instagram below.
Hello, so we are from IT Bombay Racing. We are a team of 70 students who have made this Formula Student electric car. And this particular car has been to UK, Silverstone track, and has raced there in July this month. We as such participate in the annual competition. Talking about this particular car, it is a car that weighs just around 235 kgs, which is a very light car. It boasts an acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.88 seconds. That would be faster than most Ferraris. And has a top speed of 160 km per hour.
If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around without a doubt beyond. It's all you need to do. 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 Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I'm counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around without a doubt beyond. It's all you need to do.
So we are done with the show and it was amazing. That's my bike here. Guys are chilling and we are just leaving now. We'll head home. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.